Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use your smartphone as a wireless mouse or keyboard on your computer, even if you've never done this before. Don't worry, I'll walk you through step by step in a super simple way. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, we'll need to install a free app on your phone that lets it act like a mouse or a keyboard. The app is called Remote Mouse. It's available on both Android and iPhone. If you're on Android, open Play Store, and if you're on iPhone, open App Store. Search for Remote Mouse. Download the app made by Remote Mouse. It should be green in color. Click on Install. Once installed, leave it for now because we'll come back to it. We also need to install a small program on your computer to let you talk to your phone. This is totally safe and free. Open any browser like Chrome or Edge and just search for remotemouse.net. Hit enter. Wait for a few seconds for the homepage to load, then click the option to download for your computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'll choose Windows. Once downloaded, click Open to start installation. Click Next and wait for it to finish. Click Finish. Before connecting the app, make sure both your phone and computer are using the same Wi-Fi. It only works if both are on the same Wi-Fi. If you're unsure, check both devices for the Wi-Fi name. Now you're ready to link everything. On your phone, open the Remote Mouse app and scroll through the setup. Click OK or Got It, then Allow. Now, you should see your computer's name pop up on the phone. On your computer, make sure the program is running. Tap your computer name on the phone and it should connect automatically. If there are any permissions like firewall access, click Allow. You'll see how to use the mouse. Just scroll through that. Now, move your finger to move the mouse. Tap once to left click, 2 fingers to right click. The toolbar icon will have a few more functions, like the tab or taskbar button. Click the taskbar function to see Open Apps. Select any to open them from your phone. To use the keyboard, find the keyboard in the app and use it however you like. To disconnect, click the option in the top left-hand corner, press twice, and it'll be disconnected. So that's it. Your phone is now a wireless mouse and keyboard for your PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.